Hello dear children, in the previous classes you have learned 3-digit numbers, reading and writing 3-digit numbers, writing the numbers in ascending and descending order, forming greater and smaller 3-digit numbers and many more concepts in that chapter. So next let us move to the second chapter, it is about addition. Dear children, you have already learned in the previous year adding the numbers on the number line and vertical addition, adding 2-digit numbers without regrouping. So, in this chapter, let us learn addition of 2-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Okay, both the concepts. So, before adding the numbers, let us see some of the addition facts. Okay, so you have already learned addition with 0 and addition with 1. Let us see what happens when we add 0 to a number. Adding 0. What do we get when we add 0 to a number? So 5 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 6 plus 0. So there is 5 here and you are adding 0 to this number. So you know that 0 means nothing. 0 means we are not adding anything. So when we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. We get 5 itself. 5 plus 0 is 5 itself. So 0 means empty. We are not adding anything. So the number remains same. 5 plus 0 is 5. In the same way, 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 0 is 6. When we add 0 to a number, we get same number. Okay. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Means the number itself. Clear? In the same way, when you add 1, adding 1. When you add 1 to any number, what do you get? You get the after number, means next number. So 4 plus 1 is what? 4 plus 1 is what? 4 in the mind, 1 in your hand, 4 after 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 after 5. So when you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 8. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is what? Next number is 10. So like this. When you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. When you add 1 to any number, you will get after number or the next number. In the same way, there is another fact, that is, we can add numbers in any order. Okay, we can add numbers in any order. Means, so here I am adding 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is what? 5 in the mind, 3 in your hand. When you add 5 plus 3, 5 after 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. In the same way, if I interchange both the numbers, 3 is here, I'll take 3 first, then I'll take 5. 3 plus 5. What do you get when you add 3 plus 5? 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So here we have added numbers in two orders. First we have added 5 plus 3. The answer is 8. In the same way, 3 plus 5 also 8. Means when you interchange the numbers, when you change the order of the numbers, the answer remains same. Okay, answer remains same. Means we can add numbers in any order. We can add it 5 plus 3 in this way or 3 plus 5. Both answer comes same. Both the answer remains same. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. Both are same. So we can write it like this. So this we can write it as 5 plus 3 equals 3 plus 5 equals 8. Both are same. 5 plus 3 equals 3 plus 5 equals 8. Both are same. So 21 plus 12 equals 21 plus 12. 21 plus 12 is what? 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 33. So 21 plus 12 equals, we can interchange 12 plus 21, that is equal to 33. Both are same. Okay. Both are same. 21 plus 12, that is equal to 12 plus 21, that is equal to 33. So we can add the numbers in any order. Okay. We can add 21 plus 12, or we can also add 12 plus 21. But answer remains same. Answer remains same. So this is how when we can add the numbers in any orders. The answer remains same. So we can also write it 34 plus dash is equal to 13 plus dash is equal to 47. 34 plus dash is equal to 13 plus dash is equal to 47. So here in both the dashes, what number comes here? So you know that 34 plus dash is equal to 13 plus dash is given. So you know that when we interchange the numbers, the answer remains same, isn't it? So here 13 is given. So what should come here? In this gap, 13. Okay. 34 plus 13. 34 plus 13 is equal to 13 plus what comes here? This number, 34. 13 plus 34 is equal to 47. Okay. 34 plus 13 or 13 plus 34 both remain same, that is 47. Both the answers are same, that is 47. So in this way you have to fill the blanks. So it is given here in your exercise 2.1, page number 43. Okay. Fill in the boxes. Then second one, complete the following. You have to fill in this way. Okay. So here it is given like this. For example, let me take first one. A. 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus dash is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus dash is equal to 3. What comes here? 1 plus 2 is equal to, same interchange, 2 plus dash. What comes here? 1. Should write 1 in this gap. 2 plus 1. That is equal to, answer is 3. Both remains same, that is 3. The same way, let us take another one here. Let me take another one. 8 plus dash is equal to 9 plus dash is equal to 17. It is given like this. So, see, here 8 plus dash. What should come here? This number. Okay. You will add this number here. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. In the same way, 9 plus dash is 17. That comes 8 here. Okay. Here comes 8. So, 8 plus 9 or 9 plus 8 both are same, that is 17. So, in this way you have to fill the given blanks. I hope you understood. Okay. Next, let us see adding numbers vertically.